Rumi once said,
"Somewhere beyond right and wrong, there is a garden. I will meet you there."
we spend so much of our lives caught in the battle of right and wrong. We defend, we justify, we hold on, and in doing so, we keep ourselves bound to guilt, to shame, to stories we no longer need. But what if we step beyond that? What if there is a space, a garden, as Rumi calls it, where we don't have to prove, perform, or protect?
Somewhere beyond right and wrong, there is a garden. I will meet you there.
A place where we can just be. Healing isn't about being right. It's not about fixing or correcting. It's about creating space to meet ourselves with honesty, curiosity, even kindness. We stop carrying the weight of our old battles. We make room for something new. It's in the pause between thoughts, the breaths between words, the quiet moments when you're no longer trying to be anything other than yourself. Step beyond the noise, step beyond the judgments.
Because in that space, that is where healing begins.
Ruminate, the space between thought and transformation.